Good morning. Today we have 23-year-old female patient. Her primary complaint is underbite, and she is not able to chew properly, and she has a problem with her appearance also. So she is a case of complete unilateral cleft lip and cleft palate, and one of the major cause for the underbite is cleft lip and cleft palate because of the cleft lip and cleft palate, their upper jaw doesn't grow well, and that is why they have underbite, because their lower teeth grows forwardly in comparison to upper teeth. So what is underbite? Underbite is where the lower teeth are in front of the upper teeth, and their bites are not normal. We generally call it a class 3 bite. Why it happens? Usually the cause for underbite is genetics. If the parents has an underbite problem, then probably it goes on to the children also. One of the major cause is cleft lip and cleft palate because of the growth disturbance with upper jaw. Sometimes there is a deformity in upper or lower jaw. For example, the lower jaw is quite big or upper jaw is quite small, and that can lead to underbite problem. Sometimes because of trauma, because of habit during childhood, like lip sucking habit, thumb sucking habit, all those habits can lead to disturbance in the jaw growth and can lead to underbite. Sometimes it can be developmental as well. Now, what problem happens due to underbite? Usually, because of the underbite, most of the patient complains about chewing because their bite is not proper. They are not able to chew their food properly, and that's why it causes a problem with their nourishment. Apart from that, because of that abnormal bite, they have a jaw pain, TMJ pain. Another problem because of the underbite is they are not able to maintain their oral hygiene, which can lead to periodontal problem, smell, bleeding from the gum. One more primary concern with underbite is their appearance, because their lower jaw is quite forward, their chin is quite forward, their mid face is backward, depressed, so they are not happy with their look. So that is why people want to correct the underbite. Now, how can we treat underbite? So in case of a very minor or very mild underbite, it can be treated with the braces, but when it is a skeletal problem, when majorly there is an issue with the jaw bones, then we have to do the surgery. So in that, some minor cases can be addressed with the one jaw surgery, but majorly underbite requires bi-jaw surgery plus minus genioplasty surgery. Now, what will be the cost for underbite correction? If it can be managed with the braces, it can be around 30,000 to 1,50,000, depending on what kind of treatment you prefer, like metal braces or aligners. If we do one jaw surgery, it can be from 80,000 to 2.5 lakhs. If it is a bi-jaw surgery, it can be from 1.5 lakhs to 5 to 6 lakhs, depending on the hospital and the implants you choose, and depending on the surgeon's experience. In general, this underbite correction surgery, we call it orthognathic surgery, is quite safe and it can give satisfactory results. So if you are looking for underbite correction, please contact us on this number. You can message on this number for more details.